Welcome to today's book breakdown. We're diving into I Will Teach You to Be Rich by Ramit Sethi, a no-nonsense, short but practical guide to personal finance for people who want to enjoy life and build wealth at the same time. Forget the boring, penny-pinching advice you've heard before. This is about living your rich life, whatever that means to you, while making your money work harder than you do. There's a fact: the moment you break into the level where you do not 100% work for money but makes money work for you, you will realize living life tastes differently. Chapter 1. What does being rich mean to you? Ramit starts by asking an unusual question. What does rich look like for you? It's not about yachts and private islands, unless that's your thing. It could be traveling twice a year, paying off your parents' mortgage, or simply never stressing about rent. The lesson? Define your own rich life. Without that vision, you'll chase money for the sake of it, and that's a trap. Chapter 2. The 6-Week Program. Ramit Sethi's 6-week plan to become rich focuses on practical steps to manage your finances effectively. Here's an overview of each week. Week 1. Optimize your credit cards. Use credit cards wisely and manage debt effectively. Research and optimize credit card usage to avoid unnecessary fees. Negotiate with credit card companies to lower interest rates or waive fees. Set up auto-pay to ensure timely payments. Week 2. Optimize your bank accounts. Choose high-interest, low-maintenance bank accounts. Avoid brick-and-mortar banks with unnecessary fees. Set up automatic transfers for savings and investments. Minimize bank fees and maximize interest earnings. Week 3. Prepare to invest. Set up retirement investment accounts, such as 401k and Roth IRA. Understand different investment options and choose wisely. Automate investments to grow wealth over time. Prioritize maxing out employer-matched retirement accounts. Week 4. Conscious spending plan. Track expenses to understand spending habits. Allocate income into 4 buckets. 1. Fixed costs. 50 to 60% essential expenses like rent, utilities, and insurance. 2. Investments, 10% long-term retirement accounts. 3. Savings, 5 to 10% short-term goals and emergency funds. 4. Guilt-free spending, discretionary spending on things you love. Then spend money on what brings joy and cut back on unnecessary expenses. Week 5. Automate your finances. Set up automatic transfers for bills, savings, and investments. Use automation to avoid late payment fees and ensure consistent savings. Prioritize automating finances to save time and reduce financial stress. Week 6. Maintain your financial plan. Regularly review and adjust financial plans as needed. Rebalance investment portfolios every 12 to 18 months. Gradually reach target percentages in conscious spending plans. Continuously monitor and optimize financial progress. By following these 6 weeks plan, you'll be well on your way to managing your finances effectively, paying off debt, and building wealth. Remember, financial success lies in taking consistent action and making mindful decisions. It's about putting your finances on autopilot so you can focus on living. Chapter 3. Credit cards are friends, not enemies. Instead of fearing credit cards, Ramit says learn to master them. He challenged common perceptions about credit cards. We're going to dwell a little deep on this, since this is the area where a lot of people get into more financial troubles. Here are the key points. Point number 1. Credit cards can be beneficial. When used responsibly, credit cards can offer rewards, benefits, and convenience. Point number 2. Avoid debt, not credit cards. The problem lies not with credit cards themselves, but with how people use them. Irresponsible spending and accumulating debt can lead to financial trouble. Point number 3. Use credit cards strategically. Sethi advocates for using credit cards to earn rewards, build credit, and enjoy benefits like purchase protection and travel insurance. Point number 4. Pay your balance in full. To avoid interest charges and fees, it's essential to pay your credit card balance in full each month. And point number 5. Choose the right credit card. Select a credit card that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals. He gave tips for using credit cards wisely. 1. Set up auto pay. Automate payments to ensure timely payments and avoid late fees. 2. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of your spending that generates 80% of your rewards. 3. Monitor your credit report. Check your credit report regularly to ensure it's accurate and reflects your responsible credit behavior. By understanding how to use credit cards wisely, you can harness their benefits while avoiding potential pitfalls. Remember, pay your balance in full every month. Never carry debt. Your credit score isn't just a number, it's your financial reputation. Keep it healthy and you'll save thousands in lower interest rates over your lifetime. Chapter 4. Banking for Winners. Most people stick with their childhood bank accounts. That's a big mistake. Switch to no-fee online banks that give you high interest and zero hidden charges. Then, separate your money into buckets. 1. Spending account, everyday purchases. 2. Savings account, short-term goals. 3. Investment accounts for long-term growth. Chapter 5. Invest early, invest automatically. This is where most people procrastinate. Ramit's message, start now, no matter how small. He recommends low-cost index funds over trying to pick stocks. Why? Because history shows the market goes up over time, and fees eat into your returns. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account into your investment accounts every month and never touch it. Chapter 6. Conscious Spending Plan. Instead of tracking every dollar, Ramit suggests the 85% rule. 1. Fixed costs, 50 to 60%. Rent, bills, insurance. 2. Investments, 10%. Retirement, index funds. 3. Savings, 5 to 10%. Emergencies, big purchases. And 4. The part which may interest you the most, guilt-free spending, 20 to 35%. Fun, travel, hobbies. By allocating in advance, you enjoy your money without feeling guilty. Chapter 7. How to Negotiate Like a Pro. Ramit teaches simple scripts too. Ask for a raise at work. Negotiate bank fees down to 0. Lower your credit card interest rate. One phone call can save you hundreds, and that's money you can redirect toward your rich life. Chapter 8. Big wins over small sacrifices. Forget skipping lattes. Focus on big wins that make a real difference, like getting a higher salary, automating savings, investing consistently, and negotiating bills. These give you far more money than obsessing over $3 coffee. Here is the conclusion as regards living your rich life. The main point of this book, I will teach you to be rich, is freedom. When your finances run on autopilot, you spend guilt-free, invest automatically, and make conscious money decisions. You get to live the life you've always dreamed of. It might look somewhat difficult at the beginning, but start small, start now. And in a few years, you'll look back and realize you're living your version of rich. If you enjoyed this summary, pass your comments on it and check out our other breakdowns of life-changing books on money, business, and self-growth. Remember, money is a tool. Use it to build the life you want. Don't forget to like, subscribe, tap on the notification, and share to someone who needs to get rich.